Let's unbox this bitch. Oh, 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 oh.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another short par 4 executive box opening today for you. It's gonna be good. Let's dive right in. If you guys haven't yet, go check out the channel. Go drop a like, subscribe if you feel like it. Always helps us out. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think this is my first pair of pants right here. Some Greg Norman gray pants right here. $80 retail. Oh man, those are slick. Those are slick. There's a tag right there for you guys, if you can see that. Nice. What a way to start. What a way to start. Oh, we got a box here. What we got here? Nothing on it. Short par 4, little box inside a box. What am I doing wrong here? Oh. 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 This is sick, guys. Check this out here. Oh, man. Little short par 4 flask. Nice little leather flask. Oh, man. Shot glass. Oh, cigar cutter. What is this here? Oh, and a ball marker. A little hat clip ball marker. Boom. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very stoked about that. What else we got? Ooh. Nice little Q-zip, I think. Preparing for the winter. Oh, yeah. Make par, not war. Link sole. No retail value on this, but this is nice. This is really, really nice. Look at that. Oh, yeah. We love it. Never disappointed. Not one time. Not once, not never. Little bag of tees. I go through tees like they're going out of style. Little 3-box of TP5s. We love that. They're in here somewhere. Broke open a bit. Bang. Sweet. And a lot of you guys dipped off in the video around this time last time, so if you don't want to see this poker chip here, go drop a like, check out the channel, do what you got to do. Spoiler warning, it's coming. Just can't get rid of that slice. Story of my life right there. Story of my life. Nice little Thanksgiving poker chip. We love to see it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This has been easily my favorite so far. I mean, they really outdid themselves with the short par 4 box today. As I said before, go check out the channel. Drop a like, it always helps us out. Follow, subscribe. Keep on going. Thanks, guys.